Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the HOA Trading Channel. This is just gonna be a recap of the altcoin I gave. What day was it? I think it was Saturday. I gave this altcoin. So let's look at Trader real quick. I added a short trade to this. I think it's called Hcoin. It just says HUSDT. Still in that short from the high, but this is not the recap I'm giving this short on. Yeah, from this one, I took a short today. I was supposed to take this short. I think in my other video I said I didn't take that short. But let me go to the altcoin recap. Ah, man, that's what I should have did. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. I gotta find that video. Yeah, I got it. All right. I'm gonna hide myself so you can just see the video. I don't get why is that. Hold on. Let me see. Oh yeah, I gotta refresh this. Hold on. All right. I'm gonna hide myself so you can watch the video. I gotta reclaim this level before I get into a long trade for this market to start moving up. I mean, of course, we could just keep moving up. The only trade I'll be interested is in taking this long right here. And I like this coin. I'm gonna go a little bit more in depth on my TA on this coin when I come off camera, because I don't got the time right now to do too much TA. But like I said, this is local price action, and this is like real quick. Yeah, this is local price action. Is real quick. And it's done before. I'm gonna make sure I'm not missing anything. How I'm viewing this market. You broke that trend line. Yeah, you broke that trend line. But you could just come down here, reclaim here, and then start moving up. I'll be interested. Matter of fact, I might take me a. There's no real market structure change here for me to take a short, but that's kind of risky. Cause you got to fake out of this high. Where this zone right here, around here, would be a decent short trade. Where we're coming up to. What's the percentage for today? It's up 12%. Yeah, so let me erase this. If this come into this level and reject, I'll take a short, quick short. And you come down into the zone, reclaim here, and then I'll look to long it up that way. Because I have different thoughts on these trend lines sometimes. Because usually when you got these trend lines, you'll drop, you get a huge drop. So I want to be in a short. I'll take profits here just in case this level does not hold and you keep going lower. And I want to get into a long just in case you do hold. I'll move my stop loss to break even. They'll stop me out, but then I'll still be in a winning trade. All right. That was a trade recap on a trade that I gave Saturday. Altcoin setup. I did a live TA where I was breaking down how I'm. Matter of fact, I was breaking down an altcoin that I wanted to hop into, and I got into that short around that level. Yeah, so I took the short, and this is how it's playing out so far. Exactly into the level. I don't know why this moved, but it's supposed to be way up here. Hold on. This is supposed to be up here. I don't know why it's down there. My short entry was up there. It's showing. Damn, I ain't even showing it. Hold on. All right, my short entry was here, 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 down down to here. And my stop loss was damn sure not that wide above the range. And that was the short I got into. So I took the trade, and I'm still waiting for it to come down to these levels. I'm already up, what, 15, about 15, 16% off that trade. But this video just this video should give a recap on how I'm getting into these coins and these trades, and I'm predicting it before it happened. Yeah, if you look at the old video, you can see the accuracy. We was around here, and I was saying I was waiting for it to come up into the zone to take the short, and I took the short, and now I'm waiting for it to come down here. Now, I feel like I'm getting sick. My throat's a little raspy. I'm waiting for it to come down to these levels, and then I don't know if I'll take the long or not to long it back up to the highs. But for right now, you just gotta have patience. 15% is a lot because you know the stock markets move slow. You don't even get that much in a day. So 15%, that's a good short. Yeah, that's about it. Just patience. But I'm gonna start doing more of these videos. Yeah, my voice is gone. I'm gonna start doing more of these videos, going in and finding an altcoin that I want to trade and breaking down how I'm hopping into this trade before it happens and levels that I'm looking for. Bitcoin, I don't even feel like doing no technical analysis because Bitcoin is still just trading in this range. Like my last video where I was saying that it comes down to your break even before it starts getting a big pump. We broke out this trend line, so I mean you could just back test and start moving. But like I said, I don't like to try to predict what side the market is gonna break up or down. You just gotta let it happen, and that's why I like to be in longs. Longs from the lows and short from the highs. So either way it break, I'm in a winning position regardless. I already took profits on my shorts and I took profits on my longs. So whatever happened next, I already won. My stop losses is at break even. Let me see something. Hold on, give me a sec. In that video, I was saying how they come and hit your break even before you start getting the pump, and then you notice you came down here, and Bitcoin is up 10%. So like I said, I want to stop y'all. This was a decent short trade today. I didn't take that because like I said, I don't need to. This was a decent level. You came up to this value of your high. It was nice. And let me look at order flow. I didn't really look at Bitcoin too much today because like I said, I'm not interested in no trades until. Yeah, it was this. It's not too many longs into the highs. I mean, it's decent. Yeah, you got a lot of longs coming in. Yeah, it was a nice short. I'm just not interested in any trades. It was decent. But I want better trades. And let me start erasing some of these levels now because I need to clear a chart. This trend line could get erased now. Erase. Yeah. But in my video, I was explaining how it always likes to come down to your break even before getting a bigger pump. You can go check out that video, the whole video. I'm not going to keep doing recaps when the video is there. I just wanted to give a quick update on that last trade that I'm in the coin that I'm trading, or coins that I'm trading. I was doing some TA on this coin yesterday. This is called CC. So you could come up into the zone here where I'll look for a short. It's like two short levels that I'm interested in looking at. I could probably just take like two positions or two different entries on this trade because I'm looking for level 1 to hop into a short and level 2 to get into a short. My stop loss will be above here. TP1 is here. TP2, I think it was down here. Yeah, it's where I circled it at. And that's TP2, or I'll close out the whole trade. I mean, if I get the trade, I'll take the short. If I don't, and keep dropping this, whatever. It's not too crazy. Like I said, I got other trades I'm in. Yeah, look for something like this. Hopefully it'll fill both of those and start moving down. Yep, that's what I'll be looking for on that CC coin. There's not too much going on any of these altcoins that I'm interested in. Yeah, just wanted to give that recap. Let's see what happens next on Bitcoin, because there's nothing really going on. But yeah, if anybody was looking, if anybody had took that short, y'all should be in profit. And I'm still just waiting for this drawing to play out. Yeah. Thanks again for watching the HOH Trading Channel. It's kind of hard for me to talk right now because, like I said, I feel like I'm getting sick and my voice is gone. But I gotta make sure I'm not forgetting to add anything in the videos. That should be about it. See y'all on the next update. I'm out.